Something hit it.
Is there a mark? Is there a mark there?
Yeah, I think something's hit the scuttle.
Yeah. We'll have a little investigation there in a second.
Yeah, I think I don't want to sound. It sounded like a bug. It's like a bug splatter, but there's no way that sounded like a bug.
It
was like a rock.
Loud. Yeah, it sounded like a rock that just hit the car.
It's like a smudge or something in the corner of the scuttle.
Oh, we killed a bird. Didn't see a bird, like.
I don't care if we killed a bird. It better not scratch my paintwork. This is actually straight cut box. Sam, you're a member from Midas build, following his very nice little cafe racer inspired mini. Can't keep up with it.
No, as you can see, he keeps
having to
pull over and wait for us.
But yeah, we're just a case of getting out, enjoying the cars.
Yeah.
Bit of footage for you guys. We had a bit more planned, but some places are closed because of COVID still. But still, we're going to go for a drive. Sit back and enjoy some views. We're going to do some stop-offs. I think we're going to the highest point in the Peak District. There's a little pub up there, so a bit of lunch. Should be good.
Should be good, yeah.
Sam, James is just hanging on for dear life there.
Yep.
This car's not built for this.
No, Violet is certainly being pushed to her limits.
The temperature gauge works.
Gone off again.
Gone back to normal now.
Gone back to normal, yeah. But we have hit traffic, so
yeah. This was what Sam was chatting about, wasn't it? It was potential traffic, but we're on a Monday, so some of us are still off work.
In the middle of Mexico.
Yeah, in the middle of Mexico. The views are phenomenal. I mean,
yeah, I don't think I've ever been to the beach.
There's no mist either. It's completely clear. They love their speed bump down there.
They do, don't they?
That sounded like metal.
That did sound like metal. That sounded like hitting the bump stops. Someone will insist on having their car so low.
It's not that low, not anymore. I've had the car lower.
It's a great little rally stage.
Come on, Violet. Oh! What was that?
Oh, she did not like that.
That wheel spinning. It's a dude in traction.
to Yaris views now, not
many views.
Not many views.
Look at that road. That's mad.
Crazy.
Right, get tucking in.
Proper cornering.
Get the racing line.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have the Yaris
We're
now.
gonna have it now. No, we've got fine.
No.
What are you doing, Sam?
I'm just polishing my engine bay for like the 50th time.
Yeah. It's a bit oily now, isn't it?
So I've got a split seal. So
James is turning northern, aren't you?
yeah.
What is it? Scuttle? Scuttle!
It's not northern, it's cold.
Sam,
Cold,
Sam, you're
yeah.
in the road. You're in the road, Sam. So busy up here. So yeah, nice drive out. Violet can't keep up with H7. And she has very smelly brakes. But they're both looking good, they're doing well.
Yeah.
So we stopped at the Barrel Inn. This thing's epic.
Oh yeah, it's 5 miles away. There's
So how are we getting home?
Well, the thing is, like, I've brought you here, but the thing is now the whole internet's gonna find my little secret.
Well, yeah, we're just saying that. What are you like? Follow the transit van there. That'll lead us back to the
So
motorway.
follow that twisted road we came down, then you go to Philo, and there's that little road there, and you follow it along where that transit van was, and in the distance you can see those cars and the HGV, and following all that road. All the
It's
way
mad how
out
much you can
shore.
see.
It sounds weird because you can't hear it either. It's like you're watching TV almost.
It's so peaceful up here.
Anytime I come up here, it's just like this. It's like ace.
So Sam's fitted some stickers after a few beers.
This is Mexico. I just saw the dip. That was a weird noise. I'm worried about your brakes as well.
Yeah, they need upgrading. Roof that. I'm on the back now though.
Here's that wild rock. Oh, is this song going? I'm not.
I haven't got a broken. You've got a broken.
No, I'm comfortable. It's the car that's uncomfortable. Like, poor Violet. She's going to be like, "What are you putting me through?" Just remember, we don't have Edith up here. Got my even Edith driving down here.
I just want to point out there's a Mark 1 Peugeot Boxer there. Is it Boxer? Yeah. Just want to say that. Me and James are quite jealous of.
Wheelbase.
Yeah. Nice. It's got a nice front bumper, isn't it?
Yeah. I was eating a cheese and onion sandwich, and then these two just like went up to it. There's a person sat inside.
There's an old lady
I
in it.
didn't even realise. Like,
Oh dear. Yeah, Sam defriended us then. So.
yeah, dude.